garlic. Pork kappa. Ground nuts. Home soi. Water spinach cabbage.
meatball
Pork and pork liver. Cipher HEA. Thin rice noodler.
When rinse it and cook it moderately, then pour it into a cup. When balanced and cook it moderately, then pour it into a cup. In the prepare dilute to boil until cook it enough. When balanced and cook it moderately, then pour it into a cup. Put the meatballs into the cup as you like. Followed by the liver and cooked pork. Add 3 tablespoons of fried garlic. 3 tablespoons of ground nuts. Add 3 tablespoons of radish. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion. Two tablespoons pork knuckle. Add broth as you like. The secret recipe for delicious is add with pork blood. Aside this to eat with whatever vegetables you like.